afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Today we will do an activity based on sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Look, I have taken some pure water in this glass. This water is safe for drinking. I can drink this water. Can you drink?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can drink this water. Now, I am mixing some soil in this water with the help of this spoon. You can see soil has mixed in this water. Can you drink this water?
No, ma'am.
Yes, we can't drink this water because it is not pure. It is impure water. Okay. Now, I will keep this glass for some time. After some time, what you will see? You will see the soil has settled down at the bottom. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the soil has settled down at the bottom. This process is called sedimentation. Okay? This process is called sedimentation. We can see sedimentation is the process in which impurities settle down at the bottom when we keep the glass undisturbed for some time. Okay? This process is sedimentation. Now, I will pour this water in this glass. Look, I am pouring this water in another glass very slowly. We will do this very slowly. Now what will happen? The soil will remain at the bottom of this glass.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, is this water clean?
No, ma'am.
Can you drink this?
No, ma'am.
Yes, you can't drink this water because it is impure. This process is called decantation. Which process? When I was pouring this water into this glass, this process is called decantation. We can say decantation is a process in which we remove clean water above the sediment. Okay? Now, I will pour this water in this glass. You can see I have put a funnel on this glass and there is a filter paper. Look, this is a filter paper. This will filter the water. Okay? I have already settled this paper on the funnel. Now, I will pour this water and this water is passing from the filter paper. You can see the water is passing through the filter paper. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
The water is coming from this filter paper and is collecting in this glass. This water is pure water. We can drink it. Okay? This process is filtration. We can say filtration is a process in which we can separate the solid particles from a liquid. Okay? This process is filtration. The water is filtering. Okay? At your home, you mostly see when your mother prepares tea. What she will use? वो क्या use करेगी? She uses a strainer to sieve the tea. Then what happened? The tea leaves remain on the strainer and the tea filter from the strainer. This process is also called filtration. Okay. I hope you have understood the concept of sedimentation, decantation and filtration of this activity.